Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a logo on tourism niche. So as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on Facebook, social media, or you can find websites according to your niche and ask them about your services, or you can uh, create logos for your own use, personal business, etc. So we create this logo in Canva. So let's go towards Canva. So if you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn, and you just need some time to learn it. So but if you want to learn complete Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on how to on Canva designing course. Watch this playlist. I surely say that you can almost know everything about Canva after watching the playlist. So let's move towards our video. Create a design. Here I write logo, and this is the most widely used format, 500 by 500 for any logo. And here I search element, and here I write tourism, and our dummy company name is Adam Travels. Let's see what we got. So I search for some good icon, but I think this one is good. Yeah, it's look good. So I put it here. After that I click on text, and here I write Adam Travels. and and that's it. So our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and run through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.